Small or big, we have to make choices every moment. We make better choices when we are sensitive. Because of our lifestyle, our movement is very restricted now. As human beings, our primary function is movement. Actually, it's very simple. We move better, we live better.
It's an amazing experience of me being able to get in touch back with myself.
One has to understand the body weight, the movements, the psychology of the character in the particular situation, and I think for that this particular workshop will help the riggers and animators tremendously.
साध्या सोप्या प्रकारे हालचाल करून भावना शरीर हे कसे निगडित असतात हे जाणून घेऊ शकतो.
Abhay sort of made it very clear, the body movements that happen through our mind.
He is somebody who came across as a facilitator who seems to have embodied these concepts at a very deep cellular level.
And that's kind of the quality he provides to the space he's in.
One of us rightly said it's like poetry in motion, and I think that's what Abhay is.
1, 2, 3, hit it! That's what I'm talking about.
Wait! Okay, now, from the beginning.
Hit it, boys.